you clicked on this video, the door panels in your Mk1 Audi TT probably look something like this. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to finally fix your disgusting, gluey, icky, gooey, floppy door panels. First, use a pick tool to pop open this little metal cover. Use some type of bonding compound to hold it in. Then you're going to use your T25 Torx bit to get this bolt out. Then you just pull up gently on the door panel. Just be careful of the connectors on the back. It's a pretty hot day out here today. I figured it's a good opportunity to show you guys. This glue is just like, I don't know, you can see it's like old and gooey, and I may try to scrape some of this off here while I'm working. Alright, got a fresh new blade and then some Goo Gone. This should take care of all the glue. The glue has failed up here and the leather has begun to peel up. So what we're going to do here is we got our JB Super Weld. We're going to apply some under here on the leather, and then we're going to get some clamps to hold everything in place, and we'll let it dry up. Also going to clean out some of this old glue that's coming out anyway. Alright, so we got our JB Super Weld. We're just going to apply some right here, and then we're going to use some clips just to seat it down as good as we can here. This JB weld is super sticky, so I'm just applying a good amount here. This is going a lot better than it did on the driver's side, because this leather wraps around a plastic piece. The door trim is like entirely plastic with leather glued and wrapped around it. On the driver's side, all of this plastic was destroyed, but it's actually in pretty good shape here. So I think that this repair is going to go quite nice. Here it's coming up a little bit, you guys can see. So I got 2 clamps left, a little bit of super glue, clamp it up, let it dry for a couple hours. Should be good to go. And you can see the old glue right here. I may try to clean that up after it's secured good. Okay, it's all glued up. We got the clamps on here. We're gonna let it sit for a few hours, and then we'll reinstall it back into the car. Alright guys, I let it sit for a couple hours and I took those clips off. As you can see, it's sitting on there pretty good. It's not coming up anymore really anywhere. Maybe a tiny bit, but it's never gonna be perfect. It's a lot better than it was. I also took the razor blade and I trimmed off as much of this glue, the old glue, as I could. Doors back together, the latch works, windows all cleaned up, job done. The driver's side is not nearly as clean as that passenger side. So basically, the reason why I want to show you guys this side, or repair that I did months ago, is because I know that there's probably a lot of you that are experiencing something more like this as opposed to the passenger side. And that difference is that the plastic underneath the leather had cracked all along, all the way along. The plastic was all in a million pieces. And on the passenger side, luckily, it's not broken at all. It's all one nice piece. So yeah, if your plastic underneath the leather here is all messed up, you can expect, you know, this is probably your best case scenario. Unless you're willing to pay for a whole new door panel, that's something that I may do myself, because I'm not sure how much I like it. But basically what we got going on here is there's two pieces of weather stripping stacked on top of each other and then glued to the leather, and that's what this is right here. The plastic is gone. Like right here, plastic. Right here, weather stripping. And it goes like that pretty much the whole length of the door. And then it's all glued down. And then there's another piece of weather stripping right here, kind of just to help tidy it up, even though, I mean, clearly it's not the prettiest. But, you know, this repair has lasted 2 summers. It's been very hot this summer. So, I mean, this is an option. If you've made it this far, hit that like button, leave a comment, let me know what you think. If you're interested in seeing more content like this, hit that subscribe button. I've got plenty other videos of me working on my Mk1 Audi TT. This thing's come a long way. There's still a long way to go. I got big plans for this car, so hit that subscribe button and be sure to stick around for more.